I'm new here in Europe. My name is Joyce and I'm currently on my romanticizing my life era. So buckle up friends, because for today's episode of my life, we are heading to Port Barton for a few days. Join us as we explore the simple village of Port Barton with its beautiful beach and nearby islands.
When you fall in apart, and once in a while.
Nandito lahat ng needs mo. May towel here, dito yung sink, may heater, yan. We have a mini fridge, yan. And merong TV on this side. And then, dalawa yung bed namin. Isang single bed, isang queen bed. This is the exciting part. Balcony. Yes. May balcony. Dining table. And this side naman, ito lumabas here. Yun na yung bar ng ano. So yun. Just get ready for dinner. And here is my outfit. Long dress. Yes. Love the home. We're just waiting for the rain to stop so we can go out and look for a restaurant. Wala pa yung order namin. Inaantay namin yung order namin. So I ordered a pesto pasta with cashew seeds. I'll try it with that pasta. Ordered a farmer's omelette with potatoes, bacon, and obviously egg. Hello guys, day 2. Island hopping kami. Nag-wait na lang kami umalis yung boat.
You make my day complete. With every smile, with every beat. In your arms I find my peace. With you my world is so sweet.
Through the highs and lows, you're always near. In your eyes, my path is clear.
Every moment with you is a gift. With you I feel uplifted. No matter where the journey takes us. In your love I find my trust. With you each day is a dream come true. With you my sky is always blue. Make my day complete. With every smile, with every beat. In your arms I find my peace.
Dito tayo sa Maxima Island and sabi ng tour guide namin pwede namin akyat. Kasi may view deck daw sa taas nito. Here is the Maxima Island. Sobrang ganda na ng water. Medyo cloudy lang, pero ang ganda ng beach na ito.
Gotta find my way to you, even though you're next to me. No matter what I do, your heart is drifting out of reach. Head underwater, I'm swimming harder, trying to keep this alive. Gotta find my way to you. Now that our love has capsized, 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 capsized.
We are here na at second to the last stop, and it's pouring. You see that it's pouring there. So just gonna chill here.
It's capsized, capsized.
We're now on our last stop, which is the Starfish Island.
Gotta find my way to you, even though you're next to me. No matter what I do, your heart is drifting out of reach. Head on.
Ayun, naghahanap kami ng makakain. Ay, sa may beach. Check namin yun. We ordered pepperoni pizza and al pesto. Juices sa al pesto. Alam ka na.
Life's one big party when you're still young. But who's gonna have your back when it's all done?
Ba't kasi nag-ailan ko? Lyrics.
Good morning, guys. It is our last day here in Port Barton. So we're just gonna have our breakfast here in our hotel. Back na din kasi check out. Pero hindi pa naman kami alis. Pupunta pa naman kami sa dalawang beach. So kami, bumalik ng ito.
Checking out in our hotel. So, pero iwan lang namin yung mga gamit namin kasi may pupunta pa kaming beach. Excited ako.
Sugar be sweet, and the world doesn't sleep when you fall
kami sa Coconut Beach. And sobrang ganda ng tubig. Sobrang ganda ng tubig. And daming, yun nga, kaya nga siya Coconut Beach. Coconut, sobrang dami kasing coconut. And sobrang linaw ng tubig.
In a past that we can't read. Don't you wanna go outside? So it go, baby, go. Grow, baby, grow. Don't leave it all for the other side. Just grow, baby, love. Don't you let go. Hanging on for another line. Pull back the sheet. The worlds that we see don't always look the same. Where words have no place and time has escaped. Ooh, that's where our hearts connect. So you and I should be human.
Guys, we're leaving Coconut Beach na. Punta naman kami sa next na destination, which is the White Beach. Diba?
And not just pieces in a puzzle.
Ayan guys, nandito kami ngayon sa White Beach. Sa unahan lang ng Coconut Beach. May entrance fee lang na 50 pesos each. Same din sa Coconut Beach na may entrance fee na 50 pesos. Worth it yung 50 pesos na entrance. Sobrang mura na nun guys. And then, yan. May nakita kaming baboy sa beach. And, grabing laki. Yan siya. Natutulog lang siya.
In a puzzle we can't read. Don't you wanna go outside? So it go, baby, go. Grow, baby, grow. Don't leave it all for the other side. Just grow, baby, love. Don't you let go.
Kung gusto nyo kumain guys, may restaurant naman here. Nandito sa White Beach. Yan. Ito yung restaurant dito guys. Dito lang sa may entrance ng White Beach.
Hanging on for another line. Let it be clear when we get there. Why we always want what we used to have.
Balik na kami ng Puerto. This marks the end of our Port Barton trip. See you.